If you're having problems with Madden going in slow motion, this might fix it. So I noticed that when I first bought Madden, it was perfectly fine. I didn't have any slow motion issues. I could play the game smoothly. And then months later, I come back to the game, and no matter what I do, the game was just playing in slow motion. And the only thing I changed, I tried to really think about it, and the only thing I changed was USB devices that I plugged into the computer. Everything else was the same. So I went one by one, and I started to unplug USBs in my computer, which I thought might be the issue. And it turns out my Guitar Hero controller, which I have, was plugged in when it was slow motion. And as soon as I unplugged that, the game stopped playing in slow motion. So what you should probably do if you have this issue is just try and unplug every single USB device you have. And I can try and prove that it's happening. So if I start the game again, I don't have the controller plugged in, and the game is running at a normal speed. And now as soon as I put the controller in, okay, the controller's in now, you see it's gone into slow motion. And now if I unplug the controller, it takes a few seconds, but yeah, it's no longer slow motion. So it looks like for some reason certain USBs you have plugged in might be causing the slow motion issue. So if you have this issue, try and unplug your USBs, and hopefully that fixes it.